welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I'm going to be cash stuffing my monthly saving challenges. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties. Those are guys that are new watching my channel. I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cash stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties. How are you guys all doing? I hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So far this week, everything has been going pretty good. I have no complaints. I've been trying to binge watch you guys' videos, you know, the usual on TikTok, Instagram, you know, those kind of things. And that's about it. Let me see. I think my plans for this weekend, I think I'm going to try to relax, y'all. I'm going to try to relax and, you know, chill out and, you know, just be cool this weekend. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome rest of the week. All right, sweeties. So, what I want to do first, I want to let you guys know the amount of money that I'm going to be cash stuffing is going to be a total of $65. And here is my money bag or money pouch envelope. But anyway, sweeties, let me open this up. I'm going to move this envelope. That's what it is. I'm going to move this envelope on the side. And I'm going to count to make sure it comes out to $65. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. And that is correct. All right, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the denominations. I'm going to place it over here in this cash tray. All right, sweeties. So now what I'm going to do next is I am going to take my monthly binder here. This is my monthly saving challenge binders. This is actually one of them. And so, sweeties, I'm going to show you these beautiful, amazing saving challenges. This is the 1K monthly saving challenge. And, sweeties, I absolutely love this. This was made and created by Annie. She is at Safety City Chic. And I absolutely love Annie, you guys. She is so nice and so sweet. I absolutely love her 1K monthly saving challenges. And the reason why I absolutely love them, first of all, they are in matte. They are in excellent, beautiful quality. And on the back of this dashboard here, you have the months on here. And then you just mark off the months when you get, you know, when you complete them. And then also, too, as you can see, there is a bonus scratch off on each month. So, sweeties, I completed January, and so I haven't scratched off yet. So, I don't know if I'm going to be doing the bonus. If I do the bonus, you guys, I think I'm going to be maybe do that towards the end of the year. I'm not sure, y'all. So, sweeties, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open it up to the month of February. And I'm going to be cash stuffing February. And so, sweeties, let's start with the first one. All right. So, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I am going to cash stuff. Let me see how this is going to work out. I'm going to cash stuff 10 and 10, which is $20. So let me take that $20 bill. Here it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark off this 10, and I'm going to mark off this 10. All right, sweeties, so I'm going to cash stuff that one. All right, sweeties, so the next one I'm going to cash stuff is, let's see, I'm going to cash stuff let me see. I'm going to cast off, let's see. Let me cast off this $5. All right, sweeties, let me take $5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me place that inside here. All right, sweeties, so the next one I want to cast off, I want to do this 5 next. So let me cross that off. And let me cast off the $5. All right, sweeties, next we're going to cast off $10. So that's 5 10s. All right, sweeties, so the next, let me see, I'm going to cross that 10 off. And so the next, you guys, and it's the last one. I'm so excited, you guys. So I'm going to cast up $25. All right, so let's see. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, sweeties, I'm cashed up in the last one. So I'm super excited. That means that I completed my February monthly saving challenge. Yay, sweeties. I am super duper excited about that. So, sweeties, that should come out to a total of $80. And so what I'm going to do is wait. Let me go back to the dashboard. And so let's cross February out because we are done with February, y'all. So I did January and February. I am super excited about this, y'all. All right, sweeties. So, okay. All right, sweeties. So let's take out all the monies. And let me move this on the side, y'all. Let me count to make sure that it comes out to $80. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, sweeties. So let's get everything all, all together here. Let's fix everything up. Okay, sweeties. All right. Let me make sure that comes out to $80. So that's 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Yay, sweeties. That's correct. I am so excited. And I'm just proud of myself because I completed the February monthly saving challenge. And honey, I'm trying to stay on the right track, y'all. I'm trying to stay on the right track for this year. So, sweeties, I'm going to cast off this. I'm going to place everything back in the envelope. And once again, I'm not going to do the bonus scratch off. I might end up doing it, like I say, I might try to do it maybe towards the end of the month. The end of the year, excuse me. I just want to make sure that I can, continue to keep stuffing, all the months with the amount that, I'm supposed to. So, sweeties, I'm super excited about that. And so this was a short video. And so that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. Don't forget to hit the notifications so you guys will know my video uploads. And I will see you in my next one.